The mist moves. It ghosts over and through the forest canopy. The most benevolent ghost, not even a ghost, it is a spirit. It envelops the forest in a cool embrace. It roams over the mountains, keeping watch over the creatures. The mist snakes. It twists like a serpent around trunks. It slides between shadowy mountain passes over the river. Silvery glimmers pass in streaks as the sun's light catches it. When the blue sky takes over, you can catch the end of its tail as it zips up the mountain. The mist flies. It is an eagle hovering, broad wings outstretched for miles. Its wingspan is deep gray and thunderous. Raindrops fall from between the feathers. In the belly of the eagle, you see the darkest clouds, heavy with moisture. The mist settles. It is the spider sewing the closing threads to complete her circle. The web is a thin, transparent blanket over the landscape. The delicate strands sway with the wind. The mist surges. It is a mountain lion leaping to the next branch. It carries a swift air current with it, trailing behind cool air. The big cat starts forward, stretching to its prey across the lake to the other mountain. The mist rolls. It rests gently on the antlers of an elk. Its dark, matted fur blends into the gray smoke. The great elk lumbers gently through the wood on soft hooves. In the trails that run through the trees, I see myself in the mist. I am a ghost. I am a snake. I am the eagle and spider and lion and elk. I wear it like a cape, trailing behind my steps in gray wisps. These dark woods are protective and comforting. Homey. But then it breaks. Suddenly the shadowy figures vanish. The snake, the lion, the eagle, the elk. The mist dissipates and it all becomes clear in the daylight. Who am I? I am just a passing hiker in this wood.